Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little video around manufacturing jobs and customer jobs. Now, each company will call a job a slightly different thing, but for VS1 terminology and just so we understand the difference, under contacts we have what's called a customer job list. And so what that means is, and I'm looking at the customer list here, but some may have multiple jobs on the go. So typically for construction companies, electrical, those sorts of things, you have Pete's Pets as a customer, but a job under Pete's Pets is his bathroom adjustment. And this job, the bathroom build, can be completely independent to Pete's Pets, the customer. So you can track individual costings around this bathroom job and have its own job number, job name, the whole lot. It's all there. All right. So when you look back here under contacts, customer job list, that'll isolate just the jobs allocated to a customer for the construction around those sorts of areas. Now, the beauty of that is when you set up a customer job, when you're doing purchasing, when you're doing invoicing, any of those sorts of things, you can allocate a cost or a bill associated with to that customer job. So you would allocate it there to say this expense is part of that job. So the bathroom job for Pete. All right, we'll go back. Same with your sales. When you make a sale, you can put into the invoice who it's for, the bathroom build. So basically you can track all the expenses and all the income associated with the bathroom build. So when you look at reports, there's a whole section here around that customer job detail, and you can look at the job profitability on its own, or just the sales made for just that job. So there's a whole bunch of options you've got there, but that's the basic concept around a customer job, and you're going to be able to get all sorts of detail and summary reports around that. Let me just push that forward like so. Now, the other way to look at this is you have what's called manufacturing jobs. And so manufacturing jobs is when you take a product or a part and you combine it and build it into something else, where it's a construction, where it's a manufacturing build, which is a bill of materials. And a bill of materials has a lot more detail around it. It'll track a lot more information, and it'll give you everything from times to quantities, the whole lot. So the difference between a customer job and a manufacturing job is one is based typically around construction and one is typically based around manufacturing. So again, when you look at manufacturing, you will have a build profitability. So each time you build that wagon or the bill of materials, it will give you all the details around the costs and what profit you've made on that at any point in time, like so. So not only can you track the time, but the items used, if there was wastage, everything around that. So there's a whole bunch of information around that. And also when you're looking at all your reports and inventory, you've got a whole section again around manufacturing. So that's the diff. You have customer jobs and manufacturing jobs. Now, there is a couple more videos around each one individually, but that's the basic concept. I hope that makes sense. Again, if you need more information, reach out. I'm more than happy to help. Cheers.